Welcome to our latest adventure in landscape photography. Today I'll be sharing my experience of capturing the beauty of the Black Waterfall located in North Wales.
We're in this place, Dolmelynllyn estate at the car park, and we're aiming to go to the Black Waterfalls today. We are going to do it backwards. We're going to start here and go round through the parklands and then finish at the waterfall at the end. We feel that it's a better route to do. Instead of getting straight to the waterfall, we feel like that's cheating, so you've got to do a little bit of a walk. We're doing the blue route, which is roughly an hour and a quarter, but including YouTube miles, it might have a bit more time on there. It's easy, it's moderate, and it's a bit cloudy today, this time, and we'll see what we get to see. We're on handheld today. I have brought my tripod just in case, but we'll see what we can find today. Let's go.
Dolmelynllyn estate is one of the most picturesque locations in Wales, with its rugged landscape, stunning lakes and waterfalls. The Black Waterfall is a hidden gem of this estate, which has been attracting photographers and nature lovers from all parts of the globe.
Just been through that woods, the winding path. I took a picture of it so you can check that out. Up and through the forest, scrambled up. It's a bit rocky, and we're alongside the water now, but the falls are that way, down that path through there. We'll find out what's there.
Well, that's what I was just thinking. That's saying down there, isn't it? Yeah, saying that way.
Nice mossy area. I took a picture of a couple of things. It's strange how all the trees have gone dunk, 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 dunk. Is it an act of God or is it an act of man? Who knows? We can hear it, we're getting closer to it. Black Waterfalls, that's the name. We've gone through the woods, really nice woods. In the moss, it's so soft and squidgy. The woods are pretty cool. It's got to be ancient woods. Some young trees there. But yeah, we can hear the sound of it from there. Tripod time. We're going to find a plateau.
Well, we've got to go downhill, haven't we? We've reached the top of it. It goes on and on and on up there.
It was at this point during the video that we had realised the camera battery had died, so we had to go over to our phone. In the end, unfortunately, the video was a bit choppy and the audio was out of sync, but we had to make do with this. In future, we'll have to take a spare battery with our video camera. But to be fair to the camera, it lasted for 2-3 days, and it lasted for 2 hours on this day before it decided to finally give up and die. So unfortunately, we'll have to make do with the current video. I apologise about that, but we've got to get on with the video. I took a picture of this area here, but the issue is it's quite hidden. Stand at the spot here, you get stuff, but unfortunately it's
hidden around there. Hopefully we can go further down and it should open out a bit more so we can see full Black Waterfall.
So we're guessing this is the top part of the Blackwater Falls, but that is there. So let's see how far we can get and see how good we can get of a photo.
So we made our way further down around to a different platform, a different viewing point, to make a different angle to see what it looks like differently. This was the upper part of the falls, and Beck wanted to go on the camera. The thing is, we were standing on a ledge and it was quite tall to look over the camera and over the tripod, so we had to have a taller person, which was Beck. This is one of the shots that she come up with, a nice close-up of the top part of the walls. Next, we are making our way down to the lower falls, and for us it feels like the main part of the waterfalls. River, and it looks really nice, stunning photo. And I prop myself in this little edge and angle myself nice and low with the tripod to get that angle, and you can see that S-shaped curve appearing there, and the way it curves and down to the bottom of the river, and it looks really nice, stunning photo.
So this is the end of today's video. This was Black Waterfalls. We decided to do it backwards because you have the nice treat at the end and there's some wicked photos in this. But if you enjoyed this video today, please feel free to leave us a thumbs up. Leave us some feedback, what you thought of these photos, and we really do appreciate it if you support our channel, because a lot of hard work goes into these weekends away, planning, figuring out where we're going, taking time to take shots. So if you do enjoy it, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so you're alerted when the next video becomes available. And for now, thanks for watching. Bye for now.